After praying Fajr in Mina on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, make your way to Arafah. It's imperative that you spend some time in Arafah, even for a moment before sunset, as this is one of the 3 requirements of Hajj. The day of Arafah is precious. On that day, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave his farewell sermon. He then prayed the Dhuhr and Asr prayer together at the time of the Dhuhr. The remaining time in Arafat was spent in intense remembrance of Allah and supplication. Indeed, the day of Arafah is a blessed day. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told Muslims that there is no other day on which Allah frees more people from the hellfire than the day of Arafah. On this day, wherever you are in Arafah, ensure that you are constantly remembering Allah, asking for forgiveness, and making a lot of dua or supplication. La 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 la. The day in Arafah is your opportunity to ask anything from Allah in sincerity. You may want to make a list of things to cover in your personal dua. Bring tissue. It can end up being a very emotional time. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la.